In Europe, due to the lack of knowledge and tradition of consuming these bulbs, lilies are used mostly ornamentally. We let them bloom and we use diverse parts of this magnificent plant while admiring its spectacular flowers. What we have here: leaves, a stiff stem, petals, pistils, stamens, pollen, many different material, but not that it's culinary. Here's what the late 16th century Chinese literature says about lily bulbs. These cleanse the heart, calm the spirit, stop coughs, soothe fear, both when consumed in soups and gruels or as medicine. What does the late 16th century Polish botanist say? The lily flower is white. It has a bulbous white root composed like scales or pods, from which a smooth, oblong, two-ells long rod grows. At the top, 3 or 4 branches or shoots grow, from which a greenish elongated bud first emerges. Then, in time, a beautiful white flower blooms, narrow at the base, widening to a broad, fleshier and plump top, composed of 6 leaflets with long streaks above. Between these leaflets, from the center of the flower, thin, straight yellow tongues or hearts emerge, like long stings, just like in saffron, a flower with intoxicating and pleasant fragrance. In the 16th and 17th century Poland, brewed lily leaves were recommended as a compress to heal burns of all kinds. The bulbs were baked in embers, mashed with rose oil, and skin compressed until healed. Many other ailments were treated with various parts of lily. Leaf juice was said to soothe the snake bites. A flower distillate called vodka was said to help with various diseases, including lisping. Lily was also used cosmetically. A bulb ointment was supposed to smooth wrinkles, a concept invented by the ancients and still followed in modern, contemporary advertisement. Together with lily oil, it was also a remedy for various female ailments, not internally, as it causes poisoning, like many parts of lily when used in the wrong way. Despite the popularity of indigenous medical suggestions in the 17th 16th century China to consume lily bulbs, European texts of this kind mention nothing about eating. Knowledge in Europe was based mostly on European works, not East Asian ones, so we lost a lot. However, we follow now Asians and occasionally eat the bulbs. It's worth making a medicinal lily and pear stew, as Chinese medicine states lily bulbs soothe sore throats, especially when combined with certain fruits. The bulbs are separated into petals like onions and then simmered with cubed pears. Other additions